Meet the Surface Pro Flex keyboard, your new best mate for your Surface Pro. Let's check out why this keyboard is taking versatility and adaptability to the next level. Titles! This looks like your regular signature type cover, and it feels like it too, but it has a superpower or two up its sleeve. This keyboard is super flexible and ready for anything, whether you're at your desk, on the couch, or even in bed. But haven't all type covers been like this, I hear you all cry? Well, yeah, but not like this. Ooh. Ah. Aha. First off, as always, you can snap it on or off with magnets. It's like magic. You can use it for that laptop feel or fold it back on itself and use it as a tablet. But now, ooh, you can use it detached for more freedom. Yeah. Using Bluetooth technology, you can type away from up to 10 meters away for up to 41 hours, meaning that you can use it at your desk, anywhere you need to on your home setup, or type away on the side using your favorite shortcuts and using the touchscreen or the pen at the same time. The choice is yours. It's super light and easy to carry around, weighing 340 grams and thinner than a pancake. Pancakes. Which means it's perfect for working anywhere. This keyboard comes in two colors as of recording this video, black and this one, Sapphire blue. So you can choose to accessorize in the color that you prefer. And now it's time for the important bit. Let's check out these keys. You've got all of the usual suspects here. You've got the Windows key, you've got M, A, and T, the best keys, of course. And you've got some cool extras like the Copilot key and the microphone mute key, meaning no more awkward searching for the mute button on screen, and Copilot at the touch of a button means multitasking just got a whole lot easier. The slim pen comes with this keyboard too. It has its haptic feedback and its 4096 pressure sensitivity. And now, instead of being hidden as it is with the signature type covers that are also available, it sticks to the keyboard right there and charges wirelessly front and center, meaning quick drawing or note taking, and no more losing your pen down the sofa between the cushions. It can just go to sleep in its little bed. The touchpad has been overhauled too. It gives you haptic feedback for a little high five for more precise clicks, and you can tweak it to your liking in the customization settings. So more comfort and more ways to use it, so no matter what your needs are, you can use this touchpad however you want. Working late? No problem. On a train in a tunnel and still working? No problem. The backlit keys make sure that you can see what you're typing even in the dark. Matte is the best. Oh, and just one more thing. The magnet connector means that it can connect and pair instantly to the last device, Surface Pro that is, that it connects to. What I really like is when it's detached, you can fold it over and it will sit the keyboard elevated for more comfort too. Love it! So, as I said at the start, meet the Surface Pro Flex keyboard, a new level of flexibility, customization, and creativity that also incorporates several sustainable materials, like the standard Alcantara material, which is known for its luxurious feel and sustainability, and it also features extra layers of carbon fiber for added durability, making this your new best mate for your Surface Pro. Now, if you want to check out our Surface Pro Copilot Plus unboxing and overview video to see what it's all about, then give it a little click somewhere around here. Well, that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more info on upcoming videos. I've been Matt, as always. You've been watching Expert Zone UK and I will check you all on a flip side. Peace!